Gonna start messing with this 85 Escort. So it's this random guy right here. I'm just some random guy. This is his Escort. We're gonna be trying to get this timing cover off.
Looks like nobody tried taking it off, but it's definitely it wasn't loose. I mean, it wasn't tight. Just kind of on there.
So one about to be off. Maybe it's only 2 fasteners.
My hunch is 2. I think it's just 2. Yeah, here it comes.
I like how the filter housing becomes a workbench.
Yeah. This is now the. I mean, hey, they made it convenient. It's gonna be a little harder.
So one's easy to get to. The other one's a little harder. A 1.6 liter single overhead cam.
I think they made a 1.8 liter for the turbo, but this is definitely not turbo.
Yeah, it looks like you got to pull all the belts off. So it was a 14 millimeter.
Those want to come off. And a 17.
17 millimeter.
Yeah, weird numbers.
Just have to loosen both of them.
Need a little more. But damn it. If the oh, never mind. Push it needed. This is a nice belt. It's a little frayed.
It's a good belt still though.
But
probably replace it if they're
I
cheap
think
enough. Just getting started with this 85. Gonna be some more videos coming up.